Hello everyone, myself Trend Academy. Welcome back to the series of Learn Ethical Hacking from Zero using OverTheWire Bandit, and this is the level 23rd and episode 20th. So, today's level is very simple. Again, a program is running automatically at regular intervals from cron, the time-based job scheduler. So, if we look into this directory or path, for the configuration, what we see like what command is being executed. This is same as the previous one. We need to look into this directory. So that's okay. I will copy that later after logging in the server. So we there is a note also looking at the shell scripts written by other people. Okay. So basically, if you will look what other people have wrote in the script, then that is better. Okay, so first let's exit and again log in the same server. So this is the simple command we are using from a starting. We are logging into an SSH server. That is very easy. So just we need to change the username and we can log in and another user. So if we read the question carefully, we are getting a path in which we need to check the cron file. So, oh sorry, Control C, and here we need to. Okay, so here is the file. So let's go directly there. It's simple. So previous time we used this file, but as you know, we are looking for bandit level 23rd. So we are going to use this. So if you will give the cat command, because if you will read the note carefully, looking at the shell scripts written by other people is very useful skill. So we are looking what the other people have wrote in this. Okay, so here you can see again a cron based you can say scheduler which is doing his work per minute as bandit user 23rd. If you will do who am I, then you can see you are bandit 22nd, but the file is running as user permission bandit 23rd. Here is the file path. So now let's again watch what is inside that. So again here is the script in the bash language. So here is a variable my name and a variable my target. In my name who am I is given, so whatever command as who am I will be given, it will execute as that. So it is executing as bandit 23. There is no problem. But for finding the my target, we are going to use this thing echo I am user this, and then using pipelining and converting the data into a hash value. And then this thing after this pipelining, this is just telling that the extra thing, the extra space, the extra symbols, after converting the user hash value, it will cut down that. Basically it will remove the spaces or any extra symbol from the hash which is of no use. Okay, so there is a echo, then the password file will be copied from this to the temp directory which is my target. So basically we are going to find this, where is my target and where is the file name of the temporary directory. And if we found the temporary directory, we are getting the password of next level. So for that, here you can see for finding my target, there is a command that is echo I am user bandit 23rd, and we are using pipelining and md5 sum for generating the exact hash, and then cut dash d sorry sf then 1, and it's as simple as that. And okay, so there is a issue because as I told, this last after pipelining, here you can see I did not give a space, but here is a space. Now you can see the difference. Here I did not give the space, and the extra a space plus a extra symbol that is dash appeared. But here you can see nothing appeared. So the last thing is just cutting down the extra parts which is of no use. So here we got the temporary directory target. So if we will go inside this directory temp and then this, we are going to get the password for the next level. So it was very easy. Again, we understood what was in the basically the, you can say, the cron job, and after that cron job you can see what was inside the executable file. And inside the executable file we found a vulnerability, basically not a vulnerability, you can say a misconfiguration, and using that misconfiguration we found the vulnerability and we executed that. So this was very easy, and it was just the basic fundamentals. Again, this was all in this video. Let's see you guys in the upcoming video. Till then, stay safe, stay secure. Bye bye, regards, Ten Have Academy.